Austin, where are you?
Hey, disappearing big trick. Hey, Dad, can you do the disappearing big trick? Like Willow? I'll make this entire pig disappear.
I forgot how that goes. I can't make it disappear now. Ready?
Too bad.
Okay, here we go, dog. Who's that? Are you Zach?
Oh, he's getting away! Oh, go back!
Where'd he go? Don't make me chase you, dog.
Austin's getting fast.
Yeah.
Fast, but ooh, I got a little peephole here.
Oh, man.
Don't scream. It just
That hurt Austin?
You all right, Austin?
He's alright.
Austin's over here. I wonder if it's... Can the blue blanket get on top of the bed?
Oh, he's too scared.
Who's scared?
You don't have to be scared, Zach.
Play the game?
Can you see me? I'm peeking through the hole right here.
Hey, Zach, you don't have to be scared. Papa's just playing with you.
Hello.
Get him. Get the blanket.
Whoa. That's it.
Yeah.
Austin?
Call out the dog, man. Call him mom. There you go. Jump in the blanket now. Go pounce on him. There you go. Don't trust me, do you?
You
What?
want him to play with it again?
To do it big?
Only if you're not going to make you scared.
Yeah, I don't want to scare you. Okay, I'll play some more. Want to play some more? The big blue blankie? The big blue blankie. He's wide, but he's very thin.
You're kind of high.
Can you jump? Can you also jump in there?
No.
No.
Too high. You're gonna clip that.
Yeah, it's too high. He won't do it.
You're pretty poised up there. You're like a high school worker, maybe? Yeah, baby. Here we go. Okay, down on the floor again.
Hey, Zach, need to go get a tissue from the bathroom?
I had this figured out because I hold this blanket this way. I got a little people right here.
You too, Austin. Hey, you guys want to give me your gum? You ready to spit it out?
Ready to go, Mama? The blue blanket.
Here, Austin.
We can with your foot. I see you, dog.
Go get him.
Yo, you're speedy, man. You're like cockroaches. Oh, yeah, I'm coming for you, dog. Yeah, I got you. Suck you up right now. I just you wanted it.
Austin, where are you?
Oh, my gosh. I'm crazy. Sorry, I'm just free. You're twisting and turning like nobody's business. Oh, my God. Take it easy. That's it.
You want to do it? Who wants to be in it?
We're getting the blue blanket. Huh? Are you sure? Okay, because it's really dark inside the blue blanket.
That was
The
loud.
blue blanket, hop in. I'll quickly forget.
Austin, it's Zach's turn. Come here.
Lay down, Zach.
Lay down.
Just make it easier. Otherwise, it's no, you are like this. I see you. Can you get out? Alright? Okay, have a seat. Come on.
It's not very much fun playing with you sometimes, Zach. Are you alright?
Sorry, Zach.
It's not you, it's
You're
him.
too real there.